Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Cricut Maker accessories is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any Cricut enthusiast's toolkit, offering a range of innovative solutions designed to enhance your game, streamline your practice, and elevate your overall Cricut experience, ensuring you have the right gear to perform at your peak, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out on the pitch. Number 5. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press, Raspberry. Introducing the Cricut EasyPress 2, designed and built by a brand you know and trust. It's the perfect complement to your Cricut cutting machine, engineered for versatility and ease of use. Achieve pro-looking, personalized projects with vibrant and long-lasting results, even after repeated washes. Make your creations stand out with ease. Our user-friendly heat guide provides precise time and temperature settings. Get step-by-step pressing instructions for perfect results every time. This machine features a ceramic-coated heat plate for dry, edge-to-edge heat. It reaches precise temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent application. The easy-to-hold handle allows for comfortable use and even pressure. It's compatible with major brands of iron-on, infusible ink, and sublimation products. It's portable and lightweight, yet large enough to tackle most heat transfer projects. Take your creativity anywhere with this versatile tool. What we like. This heat press offers pro-level personalization with precise temperature and time settings. Its ceramic-coated plate ensures edge-to-edge heat for vibrant, long-lasting results. If you are looking for professional quality transfers for t-shirts, bags, or decor, this is an excellent choice for consistent and impressive outcomes. What people say. The Cricut Maker is easy to use and produces perfectly shaped Cricut balls every time. The durable construction ensures this Cricut Maker will last for many seasons of play. It comes with multiple molds for different Cricut ball sizes, offering great versatility. Number 4. Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus 12 Electric Grill. Introducing the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus. It brings the joy of making delicious, custom pizzas right to your countertop. Get creative with your favorite toppings and fresh ingredients. Bake perfect 12-inch pizzas in just minutes for your family. This versatile appliance does more than just pizza. It's perfect for quesadillas, pancakes, s'mores, and so much more. Enjoy delicious meals and snacks without ever turning on your oven. Its powerful 1440W heating element cooks quickly on your countertop. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick surface. Simply hand wash and get back to enjoying your culinary creations. What we like. This countertop appliance goes beyond just pizza, allowing you to create a variety of delicious meals and snacks without using your oven. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you love homemade pizzas, quesadillas, or even pancakes and want a quick, easy, and versatile cooking solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. It cooks a pizza perfectly in 20 minutes. You can do multiple pizzas back-to-back or half-and-half pizzas. The 2 pizzas I made came out delicious, the crust was tastier than most pizzas places. There's no lengthy preheating involved and the cook time is considerably shorter than cooking in the oven, thus saving utilities. Number 3. LUXJA Carrying Bag for Cricut Explore Air and Maker. Introducing the LUXJA Carrying Bag, designed with patent-pending, heavy-duty nylon. It features thick padding to protect your valuable machine and accessories from bumps and damage. The main compartment includes adhesive straps to keep your die-cut machine safely in place. A removable bottom pad adds an extra layer of protection against impacts. Keep all your tools organized with multiple compartments. 2 front zipper pockets and 2 inner mesh pockets provide ample space for your tool sets and accessories. This bag is designed for portability. It features sturdy handles, a detachable shoulder strap, and a vertical strap to easily slide over the handle of a rolling bag. With dimensions of 22.5 by 8.75 by 7 inches, it's compatible with Cricut Explore Air, Cricut Maker, and Silhouette Cameo machines. Take your crafting setup anywhere with ease. What we like. This carrying bag offers robust protection for your valuable cutting machine and accessories with its thick padding and removable base pad. It features multiple compartments to keep everything organized and is designed for easy portability with sturdy handles and a shoulder strap. If you need a secure and convenient way to transport your die cutting machine and supplies to crafting events or classes, this bag is an ideal solution. What people say. The webbing used was thicker, and there was an added feature on the back of the bag that allows you to loop around the handle of a rolling bag case if you wanted to carry it on top. This bag was exactly what I expected and keeps my machine in nice and snug, has padding, a nice carry strap and handles, and enough storage to hold all of the machine's cables. This case has an incredible amount of storage for markers and items that go with my Cricut. Pens, scissors, rulers, extra blades, markers, etc., and I can carry it all easily. Number 2. Cricut Essential Tool Set, 7-Piece Crafting Kit. Handle your DIY art and craft projects with precision and expertise. This 7-piece set allows you to slice, snip, score, weed, burnish, and trim a wide variety of materials. This set comes with a portable trimmer, scoring stylus, weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers. It's handy, user-friendly, and has everything you need in one place for your DIY projects. From DIYs and iron-on decor to creating cardstock masterpieces and vinyl decals, these tools bring all your crafty ideas to life. They offer a smooth, sturdy, and premium experience. This compact and lightweight tool kit is a great companion for your cutting machine. It helps bring your creative inspirations to life, whether you're crafting for yourself or for a small business. This kit opens unimaginable and endless possibilities for any art lover. It can be used for various innovative and funky sessions, from cutting and painting to jewelry making. What we like. This comprehensive 7-piece tool set provides the precision you need for a wide range of crafting tasks, from weeding vinyl to trimming projects. It's designed to be a perfect companion for your cutting machine, ensuring you have all the essentials in one place. If you're starting your crafting journey or need a reliable set of tools for detailed work on vinyl, paper, or iron-on projects, this kit will elevate your creations. What people say. Perfect fit and super sharp blades and great quality and perfect cutting accuracy and great durability, easy to use. The tools came in great condition. I do like the cutting tool as well, which came with a replacement blade and scoring tool for the trimmer. Those two items can also be stored on the back of the trimmer, which is nice so you won't lose them. I use every single one of the tools in this kit. The scraper is my favorite. It took me a while to maneuver the tweezers correctly, they seem to work backwards. However, I love them now. This set is a necessity if you have a Cricut. Number 1. LUXJA Carrying Bag for Cricut Machines. Keep your valuable cutting machine safe and sound. Our bag features heavy-duty nylon and thick padded lining, including the bottom, to protect against bumps and drops. Plus, 2 rubber pads prevent slipping and add extra damping. The spacious main compartment securely holds your die-cutting machine with built-in adhesive straps. It also includes 2 inner mesh pockets perfect for storing vinyl rolls and tool sets. Never lose track of your crafting essentials again. The front zipper pocket offers dedicated storage with multiple pouches, elastic loops for pens, and space for all your tools and accessories. Take your creativity anywhere with ease. This bag is equipped with sturdy handles and a detachable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. A convenient back strap also allows you to slide it over a trolley handle. Specifically designed to fit your Cricut Explorer Air, Air 2, and Maker machines. It also accommodates Silhouette Cameo 3 and 4 models, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. Crafted from durable nylon with a stylish gray dots pattern, this tote bag is built to last. Its thoughtful design ensures both protection and convenience for all your crafting needs. What we like. This carrying bag provides superior protection with its heavy-duty nylon and thick padded lining, ensuring your machine stays safe from bumps and drops. It boasts dedicated compartments for your machine and accessories, keeping everything neatly organized. If you prioritize safeguarding your die-cutting machine and need a travel-friendly option with excellent storage solutions for rolls of vinyl and tools, this bag is a fantastic choice. What people say. Holds all of my Cricut Maker 3 accessories, the machine, and the power cable. The little pouches on the front of the bag have elastic holders for tools and markers, but I found that the compartment isn't tall enough to actually fit them in. Thankfully, one side has an elastic pouch to be able to put them in. This fits my Cricut Explorer LL, is stylish and well made. It's very easy to transport my Cricut now and a lot of the accessories. The shoulder strap is comfortable but can also be carried with the hand straps. There is lots of places to store your different pens and cutting needles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.